no conference is a solution? No. There's something more serious here. Come on. Let's sit down and meditate and let's look at it, contemplate upon it, and let's fix it. Coming together is the way to addressing a solution here, to finding a solution. But resigning from government to saying, using this reason is shameful to me. I left a government before because a government was purposely getting a loan that I saw would destroy a government, a country. There's something far bigger wrong than just changing a government. There's something chronically wrong within society, the culture of men, maybe into the family homes we live, maybe our mindset. There's something far bigger wrong in the conscience of men in Papua New Guinea than just changing a government. You can change Marape. Will that change? The looting and other corruption, will it change? See, don't back up the wrong tree. You know, see them? Educated public servants like you people, who are educated and who would have been expected to be enlightened people who should say no to the wrong thing. They are involved in looting. And you call this country a Christian country. You call this country a civilized country. No, we cannot be. There's something that we must address, and address fundamentally correctly.
We have gone before the judge this morning. The judge has had our case, and that is my standing as the opposition leader to bring forth the case before the Supreme Court, National Court. And so that has been had, and the judge has set the date that on the 28th, 27th of, that's Thursday next week, we'll return to the courts to hear the submissions on my standing. And so we are pleased that the judge has had us. Important for the country, that the country is updated, that the country knows that the opposition is taking this case on. The VONC is an important national issue.
Yes, yes.
And it is important that we as leaders from the opposing side take our views to court for the courts to make its decision. And so we are thankful to the judge who's had us today, and we look forward to coming back on Thursday. Appeal to the people of Papua New Guinea that the case is still at its early stages, and I appeal to you all to stay calm, remain calm. We are law-abiding people, citizens of this country, and would like to see this case come to a quick settlement so that we can, so Parliament can be recalled and have this agenda dealt with, and addition can be made on the floor of Parliament.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day to the people of Papua New Guinea. We are blessed with a beautiful day this morning,
Yes, yes.
and we are blessed with a wonderful decision that was made by the Supreme Court, the five-man bench this morning. I am pleased to announce to the people of Papua New Guinea that the judges this morning, in their wisdom, have stated very clearly that I have standing to bring the VONC application to the Supreme Court, and I'm not a mere busybody. And so, to our people of Papua New Guinea, the case now will move to its substantive hearing, and we, as the opposition, will be moving very fast to make certain that it is presented to the Supreme Court within this week, or possibly next week, so that we can advance the VONC court decision on what we think is an unfair decision by the government. At this juncture, I would like to thank the Attorney General, the Minister himself, Pila Ningi. When he came before me to speak to you, he stated that they respect the court's decision, and he would like to see that this case moves forward. I think that is very, very important for the people of Papua New Guinea. And so I call upon the people of Papua New Guinea one more time that we, the opposition, stand with you in your struggles, in our struggles. This country needs a decision to be made quickly for the benefit of the people of Papua New Guinea and for leadership in this country to be respected. Yesterday, somebody raised the question, what about the public servants' pay? I just said, go and talk to the Prime Minister and walked away because I was waiting for this decision to come. I do apologize to the public servants. And I apologize to those hard-working men and women who are servants of this nation, who have worked tirelessly, and yet they see that they've been penalized. Their pays haven't gone in time. We do apologize. We do say sorry to you. I'd like to appeal to the government to seriously consider its servants and care for its servants. This country is a rich country. It's abundantly blessed. And for this country to continue to have issues after issues, issues of forex, issues of health, education, law and order, all that needs to stop. Papua New Guinea should not be a country that should be looking for money to sort out its bills every day, every week, every month. We are sufficiently blessed by resources that Papua New Guinea should stand on its feet as a powerful nation in the Pacific. Let me conclude by saying this. I thank God for the decision today. I thank the Deputy Opposition Leader, our alternate Prime Minister, our nominee, Honorable Rainbow Paita. I thank our senior, Honorable Kerengakua. I thank all Honorable Kit Idu, who's been with us from day one up to now. And all these powerful leaders, even my Wantok from Samara Murua, who's joined the opposition. We are a team. We are a team. And so, ladies and gentlemen, today is a victory for not only the opposition, but it is the victory for the people of Papua New Guinea. And let me finish by saying this. It is also victory for a constitution that was upheld today by the judges and for democracy in this country.
Yeah, matters before court. If the court, whatever court directs and court makes ruling, we will comply with that. The matters in court, we will present our views in court. We have our views that Parliament in a house of democracy. Democracy prevails at all times. Parliament is not dictated by Speaker. Parliament is not dictated by minorities. Parliament is dictated by majority ruling. In all instances, numbers operate Parliament. So we will defend democracy in the court, but again, subject to court ruling. Court and the judges have a better view on laws in our country. It's good that they've gone to court. As we go to court, the court will shed more light into the proceedings of Parliament. And as the court decides, we will comply upon court directions. All right, anything else? Nogada, thank you media for coming by, I appreciate that. Please give Pangu a big hooray, 57th anniversary. Much older than our country. Don't take our future for granted. It was men like Sir Peter Luce. And I want to appreciate Minister Maru for mentioning that great man. It was men like them who were in their wisdom foresaw independence. When you and me were still playing marbles, and now we're still playing marbles here. They were giants of our country who taught independence, delivered independence, and it's now up to us to make it better for our country's sake. All right, thank you, Thomas.